Hi, I welcome you all to my today's class. Today we're gonna focus on the pests that are affecting the citrus. Here we'll discuss some of the few important major pests affecting the citrus. And in this, the major one is citrus fruit sucking moth and citrus or lemon butterfly, as we can call, and citrus leaf miner, citrus cilia, citrus aphid, and citrus mealybug. And first of all, this coming to the citrus fruit-seeking moth. Here, the scientific name of this citrus fruit-seeking moth is the Eudosima flonica, and it belongs to the family Noctidae of order Leptoptera. As you know that Noctidae means these are the pests which are active during nighttime. So it belongs to family Noctidae. Here, the damaging stage. Here in this fruit-sucking moth, the damaging stage of this fruit-sucking moth are adults where these adults suck the sap from the ripening fruits after the sunset, resulting in the dropping. As I said, it belongs to family Noctidae. These pests suck the sap from the ripening fruits after the sunset, resulting in the dropping of the fruit. Where the characteristic symptoms is there is a circular pinhole spots appears at the feeding site. As you can see, it is a fruit where this symptom cause where there is a pinhole spots appears at the feeding sites and around the area present on this feeding spot. The area turns into yellowish brown in color and shedding of the citrus fruits with feeding punches. As the infestation is severe, as it turns brown, these citrus fruits shed us. And coming to the management, coming to the cultural management, as you can see that there is a destruction of the larva host around the orchards, and you have to clean the surface, like weeding of these orchards and cleaning of these orchards is one of the cultural methods. And coming to the collection and destruction, if you found any of these infested uh, fruits, you collect and destroy them. Coming to the chemical management, carbaryl of 50 WP at 4 grams per liter or endosulfan 35 EC at 2 ml per liter is the chemical management. You can manage this citrus fruit sucking moth. And coming to the adult look like this. These forewings are a little brownish in color, and the hindwings are a bit of mixture of yellow and there's a yellow and black, and larva looks like this. And coming to the citrus or lemon butterfly, it is Papillodemoleus belonging to family Papillonidae and belonging to order Leptoptera. Here, the damaging stage is caterpillar, and the symptoms. These are serious under nursery conditions, where you can see these pests in nursery conditions or in plantations, and defoliation in citrus by these caterpillars. These are the larva that feeds on this foliage and defoliates the entire green matter. And these are feeding these feeds voraciously, leaving only the midribs. If these feeds these pest attacks, you can see only the midribs of the plants, where there will be no green matter. Only the midribs are present due to this infestation. And coming to the management, handpicking and destruction. Destruction is one of the cultural practice, where another one. These are found like bird droppings. Bird drop character features. They appear like bird droppings in the field condition, where they appear like bird droppings. These are not easy to identify by the predators. So they escape from the predation. And coming to the biological control, where Bacillus thuringiensis 1 gram per liter or neem seed extracted of 3% can be sprayed to the plants to avoid this to manage this citrus butterfly. And coming to the chemical management, endosulfan 35 EC at 1.5 ml per liter Arcunalphus 25 EC or Corbally 50 WP at 2 ml per liter in 1500 to 150 to 200 liters of water can manage this citrus butterfly. And coming to the citrus leaf miner, here it is called Psilocyntex citrella, and it is belongs to Gralisaridae family of Lepidoptera. Where it is typical characteristics you can see there are mines. Mines are these characteristic features of this citrus leaf miner. The mines are mines can be seen on the leaf. They will mine this uh, chlorophyll part and they will feed on the leaf where these are here the damaging symptom is caterpillar, and these are serious in nursery and young gardens. These are not majorly found in older gardens. These are seen only in majorly in young gardens. This caterpillars feeds on this epidermis of the leaf, making serpentine silvery mines. As you can see, there are silvery mines on the ventral side of this uh, plant part, and curling and drying and ultimately dry up under severe infestation of this citrus leaf miner. There will be curling and drying, and ultimately the plant part dries up. Coming to the management, pruning of the affected parts during the winter. At the winter season, you should prune out these affected plant parts, and you should manage the garden. And coming to the chemical treatment, methyl dermaton and phosphomidon are sprayed, which will manage this citrus leaf miner. And coming to foliar spray, uh, permethrin 25 EC at 162 to 40 ml in 400 liters of water will manage this citrus leaf miner. And coming to the citrus psyllids, this is also one of the major pests you can see in citrus, which is Diphorina citri, belonging to family Psyllidae of Hemiptera, which is a sucking pest. Where in most of all the Hemipterans, the damage symptom will be both nymphs and adults. They suck the sap from this plant part, which are sucking pests. Where the major symptoms are they suck the sap from the young twigs and leaf flower buds that results in the heavy drop of the young flesh. These nymphs and adults suck the sap from this young flowers and young twigs, so that due to the severe infestation, these young flesh will drop off from the plant and leaf size get reduced. Finally, leaves get distorted and curled. Due to severe infestation, they will be get distorted and curled. Drying and withering of this terminal shoot infested in this twigs in citrus. As and coming to the management, use of natural enemies, which are natural enemies like coccinellids and ladyball beetle can manage this citrus cilia. And coming to chemical management, phosphomidon or permethrin, or also you can go for monocrotophos or malathion or dimethoate at 1 ml per liter of water can manage this citrus cilis, which is citrus cilia, which is Diphorina citri. And coming to the citrus aphid, which is Toxoptera citricida or Toxoptera auranti, which are of two species, and they are belong to Aphidae of Hemiptera. Here also, as I said, these second pest damage items are of nymphs and adults, where these suck the sap from the young leaves and tender twigs, causing severe curling and deformation of young leaves, resulting in the stunted growth. These habits affect these plants in groups. They will not individually attack these any crops. They will attack in groups, and they cause honeydew extracted by these aphids results in the growth of sooty mold and affect the photosynthetic activity of the plant. And as these aphids act as a vector in and transforming this citrus trichia virus, they act as a vector for this virus. And coming to the management, spraying of the parathion and malathion. or also you can go for monoprotophos or phosphomedon for the management of this citrus aphid. And another one now is which is becoming a major problem, which is citrus mealybug, which is Planococcus citrus, belonging to the family Pseudococcidae of Hemiptera. Here also the damaging symptoms are nymphs and adults. And coming to the symptoms, they suck the sap from the leaves, shoots, fruits. Also get infested mainly at the base of the fruit stalk. They also attack in groups and affect the parts, gives a blackish look or sooty mold due to the honeydew secretion. And here also, this mealybugs acts as a vector in transmitting citrus yellow mosaic virus. And coming to the management, release of predators, it is Cryptolemus modernseri in orchards for the management of this citrus